Who said that?
No, First Nation say, I believe it's in the Eastern
it is Eastern St. Thomas. My girl, you're wrong. Eastern St. Thomas is that. Eastern St. Thomas.
Morant based in East St. Thomas.
Not West
And
St. Thomas.
that's
Eastern St.
Michelle
Thomas.
Charles
Right there.
constituency.
Thank you very much, my brother.
If it's at the border, then
and again, Squitty. One more. The dead horse man. That's what I call him. The dead horse man.
Hold on, Mr. Riley. Hold on, Mr. Riley. The urban center is located on the edge of Western St. Thomas. It's not in Eastern. That's what we are trying to tell you, sir.
Okay.
So it's right at the roundabout there, where we call Church Corner. That is where Mitchell Child. Right at the roundabout, Church Corner. But all the Portland border.
It is the border.
So is it that is on the border?
Yeah, but I'm saying to you that the property itself is located in its entirety in Western St. Thomas. That's what I'm saying. That's where the demarcation line is. Right at the roundabout.
Okay, so you say it is a borderline then between Eastern and Western then?
No, man, it is located in Western.
The rest of the border.
Yes. All right, one more point. When he's telling us about this dead horse man that got beat Mama D, never. Mama D have never lose her seat. See, it's when him come and chat foolish and Squitty and we are telling us to take them down, man. Take them down, man, because I foolish them at tired Squitty, man. Come on, man. Listen to your Jamaica Labour Party people, man. And I eat that for PMP content enough phone damn.
Man, me say we have to have even one PMP in our box, brother.
But I chat foolish.
But when them alone I believe. Nobody not believe them. That's who no come at the bunk them. When you come at the bunk, them, you know, and say the people the right thing, you know.
But Squitty, with all the respect, you kind of useless.
Eh?
No.
I say it kind of useless.
Listen, guys, when you know say a show out the man run. If you bring up the comrade,
when you ask, no, I know Kissy, but when you ask PNP person,
no, guys, we don't have to respect it. I don't know say a Squitty thing that if you bring up one comrade, even if them a chat foolishness, you just wait till then talk and then debunk it. Simple. Because you know say so Squitty running program, right?
My friend, in come here, I try to run the man program, I try to tell the man when
Squitty can't hold in one. Squitty can't hold in one. Squitty a big man, Squitty know if you control them.
Me control my thing, none of them can go around, my brother.
Right.
None of them come know things just like them or even more than them.
Yeah.
But can be when me know but as for the PNP stay, then talk long. Then talk long because they want to spin around the people them. You understand?
Garrison. So them can come tell me nothing about this and not know everything.
Michelle Charles will not lose that election. Don't time they talk foolishness about Russia. Russia can't beat Michelle out there.
Don't call me name, Miss, for God's sake, do not call me name. I don't get rude to you. Don't look at
who you talking to?
No, not you, ma'am. I the girl is where I call me name.
Okay, come in. Me.
Don't call me name.
Calm down. I could talk to one Prezi.
Come in, Prezi. Let me mute again.
Come in, Prezi.
Well, go on, Squitty. All right, so a few things. Tari, let me just correct something that you said. Most of these PMP bastions that you see now were not originally PMP safe areas. That is a miscalculation and a miseducation that the PMP has spread for the last 3 decades. Go back to your parliamentary elections when the Jamaica Labour Party won how many elections before a Michael Manley. All right? So the Jamaica Labour Party numbers are there. Also, this resurgence where the PNP is claiming, based on the numbers, they are incorrect on every level. The PNP has been losing numbers for the last 4 elections consistently in every single seat. Not just the seats then where we flip are. So this notion that the safe seat in a Jamaica is no more. No, the man way.
As your talk, question though.
Mm-hmm.
I agree with you that they have lost consistently over the last past for election, because that is true.
Mm-hmm.
But because I think where I was trying to come from is essentially I say that they weren't necessarily strong in 2020, but I believe that they are stronger now than 2020.
I can concede that they are going to be stronger in numbers this election. Definitely. The PNP was very fractured in 2020. They're not much better now, but what I tell people every day is now the PNP is desperate for power. They've been out of the government's coffers for 2 elections and they are now literally hungry. It is not figurative. So
the cow fat now, so they have to come and get them little
so
share.
they will do and say anything. Somebody made the point of if you notice who is on stage. We learned this week say Nikisha Burchell is a general secretary, a deputy general secretary of the PNP. That is downright disgrace and shameful. The PNP is not together or united. What has happened is that they're convalescing around Mark Goldie, hoping and praying. The man now, when we stop listening to O'Keefe is when he says, Mama D gone. If we do the numbers, Mama D won her seat by 4,000 votes, 7,109 to 3,025. She has never lost that seat. And there is no way under the God's green earth where we can see Mama D losing for absolutely no reason. Floyd Green, the man saying a St. Elizabeth, the man winning seat by over 2,000 votes. If we're supposed to talk numbers, the seat that when we think of a flip, Damian Crawford is going to have a challenge with Newton Amos. He has been working that seat assiduously. He lost that seat by 148 votes in the last election. And do not buy into this Damian Crawford is this young, bright body politician.
No,
he is not.
Crazy. 22 him lose by. 22 vote Amos lost by.
After the count, the official count, after they went to court, he lost by 148. Initially, after them go court and they recounted the seat, 148. Damian, so I go back to Damian Crawford. His track record is a loser. He got East Rural on a silver platter when he won it first, and the PNP was on a high after the Tivoli incursion. People thought that he was young, black, and gifted. People have seen everything through Damian Crawford. Every time he talk campaign, he stage now, he put him foot in his mouth. So I believe that Newton Amos have a very good chance to flip that seat. Central Kingston will not go back to the PNP, and I am telling you that on very good authority. The other day, they kept a constituency meeting in Almontown. The Jamaica Labour Party has never kept a meeting in Almontown, and it was well supported.
Can we just say that Young Jamaica has worked this ground, so we know
the ground. So when we tell you good and good information that seat is not going back. If you notice what the McGregor was all over the place, him do the what them call it? The protest with the Dunsbad people that only can account.
Think he did that at the runabout.
He did a drive-through and nobody came out there.
Nobody. So all of them momentum and this thing that the PNP keep on saying, oh, the boss cannot call election. We keep on telling you, 14-seat PNP cannot force the boss hand. Go up on the boss page every Saturday. The man in every nook and cranny of Jamaica and he not call election till you're ready and go everywhere you go. Him go somewhere yesterday. The woman say a prime minister has never
Balaclava.
Has never visited the district. So let me tell you something, man. I am not going to stand here because I am supported the Jamaica Labour Party and say, oh, we are going to win 53 seats.
But
Me not see that.
But me can't see I said I gonna be Anne-Marie
Yeah,
action.
when the things them when the man attack,
Anne-Marie
it just don't make no sense.
Crazy.
Anne-Marie lock up that place there.
No, but President.
That's one of they have to do, you know.
But
They have to defend it, you know.
President Dancy, him Dunce, but friend first said that Juliet Cuthbert first beaten stick I got beat under Holness. No one see how that possible. Because if Juliet first run at politics and she beat Buchanan, how can beat Andrew?
Hold on. Patrick Roberts have more money than Buchanan. Was he able to beat Andrew Holness?
Central is not. West Central St. Andrew is not. Some people might have thought that the prime minister, well, if people always think the prime minister sits in a comfortable JLP strong seat. Go and do the numbers. We don't win that seat by more than 500 votes, but a 500 certain, sure, positive votes. So when them, some name of them call, if he was saying some practical things like, oh, Westmoreland seats, 1 seat in a Hanover, we could have understand. But he was just spewing garbage.
But
President.
With the soldier, even George Wright see it. Him not see the workers meeting. That is a sure sign that the people them want George Wright, the people them request George Wright.
Hold on a second. Let me and Prezi work something out. Prezi know the numbers. And Prezi, you know that seat since 1997, more people would have been heading to the JLP than the PNP since 1990 in Central Westmoreland. Now, why do you think that they went back for Roger Clark out of retirement? Because guess what? Roger Clark is like Labour right people love Roger Clark, PNP people love Roger Clark. And that is the reason they went back for him out of retirement and said, listen, come and save Central Westmoreland.
Yeah.
Because they saw where it was going to be won by the JLP. And guess what? Hold on again. And Paul Burke make it known to the entire country that PNP by vote at the by-election after Roger Clark died in 2014. But listen, man, when we talk politics, we talk politics from the 90s come up, you know. Because we're going to lose the constituency.
Well, on the wisdom, we have something. Squitty.
Yeah.
You serve room on the platform?
Where's everybody drunk?
No, man. The PMP them junk, man. Because me with them they sitting down here, man, attack, man, I must rum in much drink one flask. Before me never hear one man talk so much garbage, man. Yeah?
Teacher and the man and there's no name when we hear the man call with the man
I've
call
never
properly.
hear a man predict nothing in my life. I hear so much such nonsense, man. You think flag green a boy assembly? I wonder if you think flag green a boy assembly as well. Listen to me, man. I want
to feed the bunk it, you know, brother.
But Squitty, we not drink no rum, sir. So we're going to talk to man. You see, man, them junk. Nothing is there to the bunk, Squitty. The man, them junk. The man, them junk.
Flag green named Baba Green. If you get us, a flag green named Baba Green.
Name Baba Green. He don't know what.
What do you see? Prime Minister go down a flag green and Cliff Hughes follow the man.
All right.
There was one woman
talk is not facts, just our opinion, you know.
I mean.
So that don't mean nothing.
Squitty, that's an opinion, Squitty. That's a wishful thinking, Squitty. Squitty, in a me want to hold him in a Squitty in a company platform with me in a Squitty. In a show up none tall, you know. So this one see him this evening, you know.
Because him know me never keep on straight up across the sea.
But so hold on there. Squitty, what you think? All right, family, what do you think about Angela? Goldberg.
We don't want that seat. We don't want that seat.
The people them no want nothing down there. The people them no want nothing down there. The people them no want nothing down there.
20 years of work.
We don't want that seat.
We don't want that seat. Squitty, the people them no want nothing in our life. They don't want nothing in their life. Nothing at all. I can't tell you.
No,
And you just have some people like that.
What I know? A lady name is Ned come from the constituency today last night attacking her.
Mm-hmm.
And she said, Angela Burke, I win only 7,000 votes right now. The people have not vote. When Portia did they have 10,000 and more.
Them better
Better
come vote for yours because we don't want to see it there. So they better get up off of them ass and come vote for yours.
Them say them not vote. They rather not vote because them like what go on, but you never want to talk certain things.
Mm-hmm.
But them like what go on. Them like what go on in the constituency.
You hear what me
say? But it's like them in a slavery. Them people on that spell and can't talk nor vote.
Oh, then finally I see the light.
So, you bring up 2% on the platform, I'm in there. Or you bring up 2% on the platform, I'm in there. You know, say in our come still up with the over
Great thing.
You know, saying in our come do.
Well, honest, great thing. Tell her go to come name. I can't tell her about her mother. Tell her
we're not going low like them. We are go high. We are go high, Riley. No bother with them. We are go high.
Who you say I call your name? Them know them.
Oh, one man.
Which
one
man
that? The nation. First Nation.
All right, mute him, Tari.
Somebody asked about Chilani Northern, and the truth is that there's a lot of people saying Tova seat might be challenging. But let me tell you something. 1,700 votes, almost 1,800 votes is not a walkover. The PNP.
Hold on, President. Breaking news. Jamaica 87, and this gentleman is credible. He said Dan Webley no longer with us.
Really?
Gosh. This is sad news. Jamaica 87. This is very credible. Yeah, I mean,
titan in the Remember Dan Webby been battling cancer, you know.
Good man, no live long, you know, man. Rest in peace, my general. Rest in peace. Condolences to your family, boss man, to all Webby family.
This is big for Jamaica. Big loss for Jamaica.
Real, may I tell you, real man, you know, man. May I tell you, real youth, you know. In our life, you know, may I tell you, you know.
I did step down with our politics over there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Go ahead, President.
President, may I tell you about the Tova seat? Because I'm kind of close to it, you know. I'm kind of close to the Tova seat. All right, so then Almut alone can make, and look a bit of Duncans can make PNP win that seat. You know, I tell you. Can you see Bunty, I'll go back to this side. None now vote for PNP. I can't tell you that. So me hear them attack of their mouth right now, because I'm close to the ground down at Chilani. You understand what I say to you? People them don't want, first thing people them don't want to see my wicked McNeil. So I guess me tell them, say no. Yo, me tell them, say. Just check Westmoreland and see when do them there. East for 20 years. You understand what I say to you, say?
Hear me. So G, let me tell you something. I work close to the wife.
Mm-hmm.
Me not have spell out where me, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you see her office, that is where she campaign from. For him. And the people them, even at work, they want him to lose. Nobody not like him because he mean. That
long time.
He's upset because she never want him go back in politics. Right?
You mean, man, bad man. A long time he can't man. You don't give a prayer.
The only reason we come is got a seat, you know, is because we come is a part of the old boys club, you know. And you know, as a old man from tourism, he can pull donors. That is the only reason why we come at Neil have a seat. Right? If Dennis Meadows, I would have been a little bit apprehensive, but we come, me not see it.
And then Prezi, watch this now. And when me say this to people, you know, there's no way a man should be in one place 20 years, you know, and losing seat, you know, and should resign. That means he's no good. It's no good for the people.
If you have been in a seat for 20 years and let us say you got caught up in the JLP wheel, you cannot go back to the people. Something is seriously wrong there.
Where you have to go back to the people, go do? Where you have to go back? You're not ready.
You can't go back, but even beg one. All right.
You know, because you know do nothing down there. Man, I'm saying you used to drive past and way enough and splash them up. Man, I'm saying you used to drive past in the water and splash them up in an SUV. No tapping. No stopping anywhere.
We put a sign on Negril and the people there. The whole heap of people when not come from Negril. Most of the residents in Negril. So listen, but not even a road sign when you never put up PMP. Not even a side pad for say we should road. Nothing can put in a tourist mecca because people don't understand places like Negril and Montego Bay are tourism meccas.
This Camille, as I say, I'm sure they are mobile upon the ground, and the people are upset in Malawi for it.
Who set up people them? Who set up people them, Squitty? Who set?
The people in Panic.
Well, I know Squitty man, who set up people? And they always upset with that.
And people.
Oi, Squitty, I would hear me and I walk me ear and Squitty. Me not because I late to come on, you know. I would hear me depend them boy live, you know, make them boy talk roast them everybody, you know. Yeah, man, I would hear she come through my place, man. Me and her and I walk the place and do some canvassing. Them can't talk with them at all, man. They can't talk with them at all. Yeah, man. See, right in a yard type, man. In a yard type with them, man. Yeah, man, I'm run out with them, man. So who attack me? I wonder who attack. Who attack?
This is Wiltshire.
Where she can't talk, where she want to talk.
Let me tell you, she's a Wiltshire.
Wiltshire. But Wiltshire in Malaya food. Wiltshire don't have Chilani there, so. Wiltshire don't have Chilani. So we don't know where she attack about.
That is in Edmund Bartlett constituency.
So we don't understand what she attack about. What she attack about. And Edmund Bartlett always have somebody on the ground. Always. Edmund Bartlett consider them always the on the ground, running, non-stop. I don't understand.
But the whole of Wiltshire and Greenwood are the whole of them places. I'm almost JLP here.
Yeah, they are thing. I ask you that, I tell you.
Upscale area. The whole of Wiltshire is upper middle.
Somebody can lend me back and put her in and come talk. Camille. Who want to jump up?
But Soji.
Who want to jump up and put her
Take my box, Squitty. Take it, Squitty. Take my box. Where she come?
All right, Riley.
Soji. Him say.
JLP.
2%. Zulika, when Mike Henry beat by 3,000 at vote.
That go be too. Slowly. My people them now, well on the man, my people don't a country now vote non-tile orange, you know. My community is in a part of slowly constituency, you know. They can't get a vote down there, you know, so I don't know which party I will take beat slowly. And where them depend upon just upper Balaclava to vote for slowly. For just
all right. Soji, hold on there. It's Camille now. Yes, Camille.
Hello, good night.
Yeah, good night. Tell me what go on now.
So I am a born JLP. To just get that straight, right? Too long. Like PNP none at all. But let me tell you, I am on the ground in Montego Bay, right? So I went to Irwin today. I went to Wiltshire. Wiltshire is in Anchovy, okay? Wiltshire is a part of Malahoo Fort constituency.
Oh, that's Wiltshire. That's
yes.
Wiltshire.
Right. And I went to Mayal. I don't know if you know Montego, but Mayal, when you going out Oakville way, you go Mayal, and then you go all the way up in the
So what are you doing? What? Canvassing? What are you doing?
I just go on the ground to find out what is happening.
Just go with whom? With the MP?
I have relatives all over in Montego Bay. So I'm just going about asking the whole community what is happening. So Mayal, the councillor Mayal, he won, right? He's a JLP. But the thing is, the people are upset because they're saying, because just came from Pitford just a while ago. Right, Pitford, all of Pitford is Granville. Pitford is Marrowford constituency, right? And I was up there and on the hills of Pitford.
But you know, say Granville a troop, a PMP area. Granville.
I mean, it mixed, man. It mixed.
Yeah, but
hold on, on the hills of Pitford. I just came from up there. I have up there is pure labor right up there, and they are upset. Listen, I just came from up there and I've been convincing the people like go out because they're upset about the road not fixing and she came and had a meeting from when she won and I know them not see back.
Which one of the road that? Which one of the road? Because I'm gonna call her tomorrow. No?
Pitford. I'm telling you, it's the road. And Maya, right
from
now.
From where in Pitford? From where? Just tell me.
You don't know Pitford?
Yeah, but
Pitford
it's not all the road is bad.
Granville and go in a Pitford.
Yes, but
and especially the top up in the hills of Pitford too.
Or up in the hills because yes, okay, all right, no problem.
And then Mayal road just started fixing. No,
yes, but every road can't fix one time.
But here
every road can't fix one time.
No, we're not talking about the road fixing. You have to understand with people on the ground, you know. I can't go on the road and tell them say every road can't fix one time. Because I have even my family. Me have one right now. Me have one yard about 20 yard.
I'm gonna speak to her tomorrow, so give me the information.
I literally have to convince them and tell them, look, nobody would have foolish go down here and talk about you now go vote. Wanna tell me say?
I follow you, Camille. So you follow me and give me those information. So I pass it on to her tomorrow. As daylight, I'll call her. And so give me.
I live in Kingston, you know. I live in Kingston, you know.
Yes, man.
I come down here right now. I'm in Pitford where some of my families are, and them say them now vote. But the road in Pitford, you know, the road in Pitford, you know, Irving, right? The road is currently fixing. Part of it is already Barber Green, and then the other part is fixing. But the thing is, them say, why no? You understand what I mean? Like,
why no?
But hear me now. This is my answer to them. It is not. This is not election promises or because it's election why things are happening. The election is coming. The government has a lot of plans. So because election is coming, they have to keep putting everything that they had forward. You understand, to let the people know this is what we had coming, we had going forward. So it's not because the election, they might go say, okay, we did have this, but everywhere can't fix one time. At least some has started. You understand? So really literally depend on the ground and say like, oh no, nobody would do no foolishness.
Camille, just send me the information. Follow you, so follow me back and send me the information. I'm gonna call her tomorrow. So send me just send me all of the information what you have.
Because me I said, well, if the people them are disgruntled with her at Mayal, because the whole of Mayal are labor, at least the company can help in that situation. Because they really, really love the council, and the council is a JLP. The whole of Wilshire is where, listen to me, Wilshire Road is terrible. That's where my dad lives. And it's terrible. I'm telling you.
Where turn off Anchovy?
You know, right at your company top of Long Hill right this. And you come up and you turn right at Leety Crossing and go up on the hill.
Right on the right.
That have to go up by Bird Sanctuary area.
Before you go up at Anchovy High School.
Yeah, right on the right hand turn.
Right hand turn and go all the way up.
Yeah, man.
That is going towards Bird Sanctuary.
Which way you have a mechanic shop, right?
Right at the right at the front there where them do on car rush, right at the crossroad.
Right.
Crossing right there, up on the hill. The road bad, that's where my dad live up there. The road bad. Me have to say, no man, you cannot allow the orange people them to go in a power because it now go better on the get up and go vote.
Hold on, who is the councillor though? Is it the councillor for the Spring Garden division?
It's the councillor. Right now, I not even care about councillor, I just care about them get up and go vote.
No man, we really, because that is how we want to understand politics. We have to study it a little bit more. There are some roads that is not in the purview of the member of parliament. Even if it is a JLP councillor, I would take him to task for that.
I understand, but listen, I think community meeting is important and people need to understand because most people are not understanding.
Let them know. I understand you, Camille. They should know. they should know what is the hiccups, what are the problem, why we can't get this done, why we can't get this done. I think that's okay.
Keep spot meeting and educate the little people them that they come them. Keep this spot meeting and make them understand.
Please send me the information in the but go ahead and send me the information as a man and so I'm gonna make a call. So just please send me the
I will make this speech. I will make this speech because I'm seeing it over Squitty. And let me tell you this, it's a JLP and the political party at the government in power. This is about politics overall in Jamaica. You see, anytime you have the edge of the constituency, you see those people that lives on the edge, that is right here on the edge, you know, because the next constituency is Homer Davis in Anchovy. Guess what happened? Hold on. You find say the pity them treat them like a bastard child. Them not get no food. So you see, anytime you live on the edge and you see two constituency intersect, you realize just say boys like no, and it happened both. Listen, it happened with PNP constituency, and it happened. Listen, it's a long time problem across. Once you see a community the right on the edge, they almost don't get no care. We need it to be solved. And guess what? This is not the MP. I don't think it is the MP. I think it is the councillor. Soji, deal with the councillor tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I'll get to the MP and then you will get to the councillor. So I have a contact for the MP. So I definitely talk to the MP tomorrow.
Because I literally vote in Xavier main constituency, and Xavier cannot lose. Me no worry about Xavier. And then I have some other family member who vote in Warren Newby's constituency, and he's looking really literally have to convince some other laborers to look here, no bother with it. No bother with it. Me not in a food.
Boy, laborer to know out and about though. I love that.
Laborer,
I'm telling you, but hold on.
I cannot.
Soji, I wanted to help me with the constituency. Because the constituency go all the way to Great River. No, isn't that the Spring Garden constituency?
Yes, I think so. And
let me say this on the live, man. If it is the Spring Garden constituency, it is a Labour Right Council that is in charge of the area. We are not going to sit as Labour Right and play dumb and play like say we don't admit it as it is. So get in touch with the councillor tomorrow.
Yeah, me I go match it, man. Me I go match it. As the light, so me call her.
Yeah, but thank you. Division. Thank you, Tari. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kilmux. Division. It is a Labour Right division because it goes all the way to Great River, right on the there with Hanover. It is a Labour Right that is in charge. They need to do something about it, man.
I think so too.
Because they just fixed Tower Hill, you know. They just fixed Tower Hill Road.
They just fixed and then as starting to fix my all.
Yeah. So, but I'll talk to her and see what's happening.
All right. So now I get some of them.
Because my cousin is down here, you know, both of us, he came down and both of us all over the place. I'm telling you, this I'm not joking. Literally, I am not joking with these JLP people. And if you get up and go, it's with the oldest set of people. Because I don't know, it's like somebody come and them easily convince some of them. But we go up on the ground tonight and everybody up. I'm telling you, everybody up. Because I'm in and play.
You're not supposed to play. We don't have time to play. We have a plane to catch, you know. We have a third term to go, you know, and a fourth term, you know. So we can't play. Can't play around, you know. We have to put out the work.
I'm literally drive from Kingston and come down here.
Big up yourself, Camille, because of them kind of Labour Right to me like. Yeah. And we talk, we say enough of who depend on social media. If you're dep on the ground, you're not supposed to depend on social media. No. The only people if you're active on social media, no, and them are those of us who they are foreign. Right? Because who depend on the ground for join a team. Or go make sure if you have your family a country, you go link them and check them and make them know what time it is. You know, it's election day. Me tired to say join one MP, join one team, find out go. Make sure so people can check if them depend on the voters list. Tell them what them PD there and them something there. Yeah, understand? You know, sit down and wait for no MP.
Camille.
Yeah.
Camille,
remember to send me the places and information, you know.
Get easier now.
Yeah, man.
So later, everybody, big up on
man.
yourself.
Because my daughter voting a Terry Long,
always.
you know, me say, look, you need your arm shirt and go
Later,
on the road.
Squitty, big up on yourself.
Yeah, man, bless you.
Big up
bless you.
yourself, one
Have a
kizzy.
good night.
One
Hello, it's
done.
morning for you now. It's almost daylight.
All the client done.
Yeah,
Still,
man,
but
daylight
one
long
done.
time at 8:30 now, so I
Yeah.
have time to work my money.
All right,
All right,
then.
one done.
Safe journey.
Yeah, man,
One
later.
done.
Ciao.
Kizzy. Bless up, Kizzy.
Kizzy jump.
Yes, Reaper, you say the talk. Reaper, what you say now?
More ask Kizzy a question from night and Kizzy jump down here. Right? So, I don't know if
A woman here look. A woman here look.
Yeah, man.
A woman you come here look. In a morning, yeah.
No.
But I'm here, man.
Yeah, man, me there East Portland, right? I'm here, the guy. They say my teacher say, Anne-Marie, lose. I must lose. She will lose her last year. No. Yeah. No, I feel no. I'm showing video circulate with one brother there, of course. So them show Isaac underneath the bus. Because me not see him at all and nobody not see him. So me I want to ask Steve if you know what go on them replace him.
That's a long time video.
A long time video? Because I not see him at all. I think he would have been here a campaign in the East Portland.
I think that's from last year or the year before.
Okay.
Morning, everybody. Waje, Navi, Tari.
But the most we see them putting currently put up some flag pants on light posts and put up some sign. So them say Anne-Marie will lose this seat. Now I wonder if I did flag them and this sign, the people are going to vote for or something like that. I really not understand. Because me I tell you this, me not see nobody can mobilize one crowd like Anne-Marie does. As new as she be right now.
But we don't see that, man. We don't see that, sir. We don't see that. We see that,
if Anne-Marie Vaz say I keep one tea drinking competition right now, the place ram. So more if you know what them are going to do when election call and Anne-Marie roll out the army. So said through Anne-Marie Vaz, when the local election is gone, they've overturned some PNP seats for JLPNP in the local election. They have the powers and she use it. And so you notice you're not here not all pertaining to Isaac. The peaceful land. Can they just think the campaign on?
Me not for real, me not. Yeah, well, me not see him a push out.
No.
Me not see him a push out the show.
Last time he spoke, he said the people of East Portland don't have the capacity to understand.
Yes.
That's what he said.
You see when you're in Portland, the place clean. From morning, the only time we see garbage maybe in the evening hours when you know business with the port. That's it. Place clean. We almost on the bad road. In the ear of the memory. I'm say almost we mean like maybe I go on back road. One back road place and we see maybe on, but that is just that. Every major road you drive by. Every turn off, every lane, you can some place where never have road there. Tell me a little boy I walk up and down. Nobody not people. Buy car. They live there, no big house and but the man now buy a car and the man can't. You don't go there, sir. Some car pick me see lay down me and say, road could I go here, sir? So when you tell us you see this election, more no numbers, I don't know what I'm saying. Let me tell you
Squitty, me I beg you a piece of dance earlier, and I'm sure G keep on my building to the altar drop down and I'm and the boy they come and tell me like boy Marky G I do for boy, Marky G not do nothing for boy.
Which part you there?
I remember there. 2 billion fix and Alexi met them fix. And the wrong 2 billion
Which street to the pan?
3rd Street, me there pan, Alexi Street.
Oh, 3rd Street. Cross
3rd Street.
Did you cross road from Kino them?
Yeah. Kino, my brother Kino them that cross the gully side. Me
know, man. Let me say across the road over the next side of the gully.
Yeah.
Yeah, me know where
I beg you for me come tell a boy that if stop tell lie. But my goal and do things to old people. Which old people? Never George Bang no one to even see him.
But Mark Golden I love people, brother, and I love poor people. Mark Golden I love poor people, you know, so when I talk about. I'm going to
come down and talk like him a fix a bill in them, and him know him a fix a bill in them.
The man saying fix the zinc fence in my community, so you have to talk.
Which zinc fence? The people them fence, the people them have their money at jungle. Think jungle people broke?
So I want the MP up there now. The opposition, the Labour MP, what run up there?
The right youth?
Yeah.
I want to look at youth from down in the Denham town, man.
Yeah, are the same youth from me last time there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, me know the youth there.
That's the brother.
Never active up there.
Nah, man, I'm always active, man. I'm always active. Yeah, I'm drive. Morning, noon, and night, I'm drive through here.
Yeah,
but my youth, him come here.
From my youth. Me just see him pass through.
Man, from my youth, him come through here, man. From my youth.
Yeah, but him never usually stop. Because I don't see him up and go.
Nah, man, him stop all about, man.
Stop all about, man. Me just see him pass or not.
Whether it want be PMP stronghold or not, him stop, man. Enough people know him, man. Carlton, man.
Yeah, but him go. I don't think that I change nothing because this the people when now go vote. The people will have vote more than them, so him still go win.
Sure. But at the end of the day, his presence make a difference. At least him represent.
Yeah. Well, going down talk to the youth them more, you know. If him can
get tell you this.
Hold on now. If him can get in a Craigtown and Jonestown, it will make a difference.
You know, Sal, when them are analyze off them one another, them now switch up there.
Let me tell you. Because
tribal politics in there.
And promise them better life.
Too much a year squitty. Too much a year squitty.
Huh?
Too much a year squitty. Too much a year that. Them a promise them better life. Too much a year that. 50.
No. Hold on now. Me say the JLPU can go in there and offer them a better life.
Them I want to hear that.
But him can't go broke. He can't go in too long.
Nah, man. No. I tell you, see them brain think one way.
Yeah, wired one way.
One way.
Yeah, you have to cut off.
If him go in there and start do some work, like go over Craigtown and start tear down all of them old fence there. And start build up some wall around there.
Yeah, Craigtown full of beer, zinc fence. All donkey cart road still there up there. All the constituency in Jamaica, donkey cart road still there.
Hey, Era, you know some feel a lie I tell?
Which lie me I tell? Something me I tell you. Which lie?
I really think man I tell you. Which lie?
When you go around to 110, there's a go around here to Craigtown, there's around a 110.
No, Era knows that.
Rollage part, my boy, office did there. When you hear
Shocking vibes.
Shocking vibes. Around the other donkey cart road them there. Round to the post office.
Yeah.
But all the back there, so but Errol, all the back there, so where you turn, pass and come up and change town there, so run a back of Craigtown there, so where you can drop out road and slide.
Road where you drop here, that's Studley Park. I drop you right on 6th Street.
Yeah.
5th, 7th Street, Asquith Street.
Yeah, man, the people them build back them house one of them places there.
Police station.
Not no one of them place there, man. For years, me working in the place there, Squitty. And I say, Squitty, me patrol in them area there, night and day. It's about 7 years. And I tell you, say, nothing no, I'm the same way it turn like now. I tell you, it's all I place them and like till now, man. I tell you about 90s, you know. 30 of the years, you know.
Start around at Studley Park, when you go around at Studley Park and come out around at the back of Craigtown, so.
Yeah.
Go around right around there, so and which part we can see
water, dirty water. And that take over the man constituency.
So Squitty, me I go agree with you now, brother. That constituency worse than Central Kingston.
And you want to see Carly Smith Drive. Go straight up to the roundabout. I'll feel it, sir.
Yeah.
Them not have no road. You're supposed to visit mechanic every minute.
You would mash up back car, you know, the fix part of it one time.
You fix what they have when me down there.
switch what day, yeah. I dig them dig up one pipe and it never barber green good. I throw Babsy Green's pass and say the conditioner and roar.
Jaja.
Bumpy like when people have sour sap face.
So hold on. But don't worry, most of them they are PMP now, same way.
One heap of labor right there, man. Labor right full buckers and 3rd Street and 5th Street. You know, actually, they have enough labor.
Yes, you know.
Rima scheme, they have enough labor right.
It was labor right till it switch.
Yeah, you have some man come switch up the place 2 lights from Dana Williams.
Hey, but the man, them the people when switch up, them still switch. Enough of them. And they want to win labor right same way.
Alright. All of my family, my just one sister get one look at $20,000 from Jadpang, and when I look to him, man, I didn't let him look at things she switch. When I beat it if she come back.
Just tell about the
system. Get not no more.
Just tell about the system politics, system.
System politics.
Oh my God.
Let me tell you this. Nobody can tell nobody who for vote for down here, you know.
Errol, mind them get you out, you know.
No, man. The man know the politics, man. He know the politics.
Let me tell you, Labour right and PMP spar together, you know.
Yeah, man, that's true.
Of course.
You know?
And that's why I think him show for when we are in New York, you know. I pay PMP man, Macaulay and man.
After you got jump, you see the man up there, you know. I use it back and a drink and a smoke with them friends, you know.
All of them there, up at 240 first.
Me used to that garden, you know, and say the big man up a jungle drive in and check the Dan, you know. Unity, the Dan bring in a Jamaica and through them not like that, them get him out, you know. The Dan, you like all Dan, you know.
Right across the country.
Man. Then yo, the Herald, may I tell some man say right now, if president about Jamaica wouldn't have so much crime.
Yeah, mad. You might tell a Dan this are doing another Dan they have to shake up in a kind of know which car pull up on him like more, you know.
Of course.
And then a gunman a pull up on him, you know, a police a pull up on him.
Exactly.
You tell Harry Bongo, say, you want a man there, him name a call, him live up there, so go for him. And then informing, you make the man come to the Dan and send him to you.
Well, Errol, me beg for differ with you a bit on that, you know. I don't want to hear about no Dan in a Jamaica. None. Whether it be Dan C, Dan Carpet, Dan, I don't want to hear nothing named Dan in a Jamaica again. Nothing named Dan. Because Dan them have so underlined.
I'm saying when him come back, him no want to hear nothing named Dan. Because them Dan is a man.
Well, I know. Dan them have some underlining issue, you know, where them where they are road same way too, you know. Although them car shots and whatever, them do some of that nastiness too, you know. No, I hear not about no Dan, you know. Dan them for sit down. Dan them for go ahead. No, I hear about no Dan in a Jamaica. Dan time done, Dan days done.
I police them are done now.
Yeah. Dan time up, brother.
Nobody call him no Dan again.
Yeah, man. You know.
When you see that will come for them.
Kevin Breaker, the one Dan in Jamaica.
Client Dan. Yeah, client Dan. Yeah.
President was not done, you know. Man was a president.
That's right.
Thank you very much. He not call himself Dan.
No, man a president.
The man build business. The man show youth how to have a decent life. The man not just the man is just different, yeah, man.
Uncle Soji,
the president.
Yes,
the man transform the world, Dan.
Dan, they are Jamaica, Skeng Dan. See that the comments.
Nah, man, Skeng Dan a waste man. No, Dan. No, Dan. Him have to hide when the president them out. Him not mention when the president them out. Him not mention, him just remshan. See me? The president of the only man will help everybody, whether you're PMP or you're Labour right. You go to him to help you get that.
But when I see Peter Phillips them deal with them, I give them contract when public are built up, you know.
Yeah, because I him one can without no man come talk about extortion.
Yeah.
You better go extortion in your house. You When your baby mother come in from work, you go to her and stretch out your hand. You know? And the man, the real.
But ever like how me know, boy, you know, when you come on the thing now, we make you come in, man, can me see you,
Listen,
me
sure me sure G keeper the building today. That's why me a text I said, tell G keeper, ask the man how the building structure stay. When him can't tell her, I should tell him. Because I'm sure today. Alexia lobby feed fix.
So
what
on Errol? So hold on, Errol. The building with the staircase is tear down. The building is completely repair now.
Yeah,
no,
but I never that did for repair. Alexia lobby will write a letter to the office of the Prime Minister.
Oh.
I don't
and
know
bowling do nothing.
Or upper side.
No man, I drop the building and drop out over
side.
Guy, but oversight a different community, man. Oversight building no fix yet.
The file on oversight.
The people make a board step.
Yeah. Yeah, my sister they make a board step.
I know enough. And Joel is not saying go fix it. I don't think it a go fix. And them still a go vote PMP all over labor right oversight. I see I go build site, you know. I mean, then I see I Tivoli Courts building them the site, and then I'm torn building them the oversight.
You see a model.
Over Anatown.
Yeah.
I run a 4 storage.
Yeah, just like 4 storage building are the same type of building oversight. But them manage it bad oversight.
Oh, them not maintain. That's the problem, Errol.
I don't maintain the way the people them deal with the building oversight. Me don't know where them are do for deal with the building, so.
But the building collect about 200-year-old, brother.
And them the last bill. All now Tivoli Courts now over storage not drop down yet. So I want the oversight one drop down on them last bill.
Yeah.
Errol, you know Killer up in Mexico?
Eh? Yeah, man, I know Killer we have the food shop, man. In front of Charlie Smith.
No, man, not that the Killer there. The original Killer we chop up down in Mexico.
No, I don't think I know him. I know the one who sell the food.
No, man, that's a young Killer, man. I talk about the original Killer, them wired down in Mexico for PMP long time. In the right near the roundabout this sir. In the right near the police station, right round this them there. One Rasta and him full of cut and chop up.
Oh, you talk about right on my boy we own the hardware.
Rupert, near the hardware there where you come out to U-Brown place there.
Yeah man. I go to know him around which part. That's which part the center them right round
the man. Yeah, them say the cement, the man sitting them around the sun them sitting there.
Yeah man. Mogul them. That's right to mogul them there.
Yeah man. That's why they sell the gas, the man them sitting there. No, my family them, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
But back then, you know, I say even one time enough labor right in Mexico too.
Yeah, man, then labor right now they
are Rasta Teddy. Short Rasta Teddy will live side of the police station and labor right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Teddy a labor right here. Teddy was all Rima 13, man.
Okay.
And them man, they got turn garden and then I'm turning a labor right, man. And them a suppress the local labor right, them man, they go run with the PMP, them.
Them still live in Mexico?
Yeah, man, him now move. When for move, start to him buy, you know.
Yeah.
You mean?
Zin.
So you know the thing set, you see me quit it because labor ain't afraid of nobody, you know.
Mature, man.
You see me?
I say I don't want a war start up, no political war start.
No political war can start, boy, so.
You just mash up the country, you know?
No political war. I'm tell you, PMP just come mash up Rima. I realize that PMP are destruction. Anyway, them set them stamp mash up. And then them farm them the disease in their mind to live reckless and live nasty. I'm tell myself saying the day I'm become a PMP, me I go get nasty. Them have this nasty mentality about them and donkey mentality about them.
But Errol,
the brother will stop Riemann News. You live near him.
Oh, Squitty. Errol, I say the real thing, you know, Squitty. But Errol, all our PMP the forever, you know. At that happened, you know, Errol. You come like, you know, Errol. All I place them with PMP the forever. Same thing, brother.
Because Central Kingston, as the people vote for Donovan Williams, them livestock uplift.
All right. You understand what I say to you?
One Donovan, there were two.
Yeah, man, because more know more to Southside.
I'll get some rest, you know.
Tell me what I want.
No, bless up everybody, Navi. Big up on yourself. Wizzy. One Prezi. Everybody, Herald. Big up on yourself, you know.
Big up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we should lock off at 12 o'clock now shut down the team. Yeah.
What's Squitty, road you now?
Riemann News, me ask about, man.
Oh?
Riemann News, you to tie up your head and talk a thing there, man. And call himself Riemann News on the TikTok. And him talk about talk. And him tie up his curtain around his head all the while and talk.
No, I know Ziggy on the app, my little nephew-in-law, my brother, son-in-law, Zuma from Riemann.
Big man, and him call himself Riemann News.
Yeah, I forgot to send me a clippings, I see how.
Yeah, I'm the funny app, man. Just type in Riemann News, man, and you'll see him. My man is a bandana tie over my head.
I forgot to look him up.
Mr. Repeat what you say about the PMP then. What you say when you say PMP, I get nasty.
Then no some say them live them not them donkey.
Why never them
No, man, I tell you, it come like say them take something out of them brain when time them switch from Labour right to PMP. When them take out the green and put in beer orange, it look like them start rotten.
Yeah.
See me? If you take out the green out of your brain and put in orange, it look like you start get rotten, because you know when orange rotten how it go.
Scotty, why you know about before now?
No, I'm not happy for I laugh, man.
Scotty, me go all about, you know. Scotty, me I show you something or my Labour thing go. My father was the man where I travel upon. You remember the Tishan van where Labour Party did have? Back. Where the man we have the mic and say, I put a head here, we lead them, our conscious leader. A man named Mr. Beerman. A contractor man named Beerman, we tired the house stop them. Fix the sidewall. And my father that tell him fix up Mother White Bridge, you know, him did have the contract, you know, for Sandy Gully, you know.
I fix up Mother White Bridge.
Yeah, anytime the wall always drop down and them tell them, say, if them now, when we see them fix it now, I thought you had the other tell them, say, if them not do that, you know, them not gonna stop spend money fix that, and it just are done in 100 time.
Yeah.
You can't put a gully wall which part water soak. You have to cast it.
Yeah.
You have to cast it. You have to dig out the ground and put in boulder and cast it.
Yeah.
And that, I see them just though.
Yeah.
I look at you to tell me, say, oh, from him born, him say, oh, him not see no paint pan the building them Marie, man. When they realize what a PMP him come say paint them. I say, look how long that 18 years I come back, I not see the building them paint again. And when me I left here, so Labour win, PMP win, Labour right just fix up Rima, put all the toilet them in the house. And they have money with her run against Desmond McKenzie, and if I come out time house in a night, go use bathroom in a yard. When if you run for MP and you use bathroom same way.
You know, say a wicked way, Errol.
You know, down on West Street him live.
Body with get older now though.
Nah man, him not all, him still look young and fresh, man.
I'm almost 70, man. In the 60s.
In the 60s, man.
Well,
when you look now, him one look at Mitsubishi. Where my drive mash up. Me don't know where my drive now.
Long time I don't see him still.
Them treat the man bad, me not tell a lie. When I look the man all have wear out some all crocs.
That's what you say.
You can't have a man who run for candidate for all long. Come like when time Wilkins take the whole of the money and run against Siago and can't win, and when Wilkins get broke, Wilkins die and pass off a broke man. Him grandson of a push and cat after that man have money for set him pitney and him grand pitney for life. Him son a make load the board now and rat bed a sell.
On the politics.
You know, see, I'm PMP in a power for 80 never give back to Wilkins pitney them. Wow. Grand pitney.
Wow.
You think them people are easy people, so me forgot on PMP when me know all them the history there. But take sleep mark there.
That me I tell the people them to take sleep, man. Just the PMP by walk about of them mouth.
Mark going to blood and fire come on.
Right, when you look on the whole I think, when you draw the tape measure and measure it, what you think about the election are go on? You think if PMP them are going to get more seats or them are going to lose seats?
I feel like I lose them are going to lose seats. Trust me, because I want to see my Labour right, they have stagnant and I want brother when not doing work properly, but him councillor work down in the country there.
Which country?
I don't remember which country, but me them a talk about him. For you now, and you tell us if you now work, everything rests by your shoulder and now make you sit down on the seat. You must send somebody go do the work when you now do that means so when you know election time come, other man they're gonna nominate. Because the people MP know it. Huh?
Oh, Bobby man to carry that one?
Nah, man. One brother will have a Spanish name.
Could you always mix up a Henriquez?
What Spanish name?
Henriquez.
Yeah, man, one big belly brown man.
Scritty, you mix up in a Scritty.
Henriquez, you talk about Navi?
Yeah.
Any MP now work. Just tell yourself, say, you have a PMP mentality and a PMP background.
Him 60. Do some work, but it's like him fall ill.
Mix up in a Scritty, please.
Some of them just want money, you know.
Yeah, when them don't get no portfolio, Scritty. So when them don't get no portfolio, that is the way all them act when them don't get no portfolio.
Yeah, that's true. We see that sometimes.
Once them don't get, but you don't have no portfolio, you're supposed to do the most work.
Because you have enough time.
Because you don't have no business, nothing to do. Exactly.
You have enough time. You have enough time.
Fix up the constituency.
Exactly. But one can.
The man who the prime minister will fix up them constituency. I don't say it go.
No, them
want. You constituency, and the people them vote for you to take care of them.
To them know the people them love the minister. Them want feel like say when the prime minister walk through them constituency and them laugh for the people them. The people them laugh with them. And the prime minister, the people them laugh with not you.
That's true. That's true. You understand the politics era a long time, right?
See you all enough.
Them should have a thing where them just vote for the prime minister.
I want Robert Miller, I'm saying, Westchester,
Labour right, them say, I know every MP, not MP can't the prime minister court this election. Yeah, of
course, them for work, man.
But
keep Blake, you know. I say, keep Blake. You can't use wacky lynch people, them think them are going to vote for you. Wacky lynch and your cousin. It not going to work. Instead of him give me what him forgive me, him go buy out the Clark store. You're going to have to go all a councillor seat because you're fool. And that reach him. It take Terry Long and Miller for come in, come show them, say this is how you do it.
You have to work the ground, man. You have to work the ground.
So what do you have? I got 9 nights over Portmore, over Westchester, and him come there and the man must say Errol that and him say, you know, long me here boy, I want to meet you. I say, yeah, man, I'm there about man. I want all a nice reason. I say, look here. Work for the people them and the people them will work for you. Because when I come and vote the last election, I say, season you were born PMP, mama and papa come from foreign. And you hear when man tell me say, Errol, you know, say, I want my mother and father get and them people start walking stick now. I know them people from them trunk. You see when them people switch? when them there on walking stick because I want to tell you say them tired of the system politics.
Well, on the era, repeat what you just said. Take your time. You have 400 odd people, Alicia. And talk the constituency. Take your time.
Southeast St. Catherine. And them split it in a two. Terry Long and Robert Miller. What you think of my bridge in a season PMP, the whole our part together Independent City? Half Augusta Drive. And for mother and father turn old now and them left foreign come back to come vote. And them tired of PMP thing because them not done nothing since Dr. Paul Roberts left. And the man say, I want to know where I get you know. Because them see where this caretaker come do. And from Big Rob, sit down in it. Me go over them, sometimes I feel like me the last. If I drive, go over there in a taxi, me I take and I tell the taxi man, say, I just saw me I come off. From Portmore Mall, Art Academy, go into Passage Fort Drive, go straight in. It's a different place here, look.
Yes, you want one out of big city there, sir.
The one out there, sir, transform every business up.
Yeah, man, please.
Me I say, that developed last time I pass out there.
Remember on the PMP rule, you know, big city coming like a real big city, you know.
Then a big city name. A big city name, you know.
I be a business out there. I be a business out of big city now.
Yeah.
They used to have frozen rubber out of Sweden there, sir. Remember you have frozen rubber out of Sweden there, sir, you know. I swear be
yeah, man, frozen rubber. Yeah.
A Western Union there, sir.
How we are, sir?
Look how long Western Union there. Swear be grandson got college and become the manager for the Western Union right there, sir.
Wow. So what two over the Go-Go Club there? When you forgot Jamal, what name what?
A long time, a long time lockdown, man, right at the edge of Portsmouth there, so to go over to Waterford High School.
Yeah, yeah, and you turn like you got Jamal.
Yeah, man, a long time there's a lockdown, man. Go-Go Club can't in a community, you mad?
No,
Go-Go Club when they cross the road for Woodland.
Yeah, yeah. Right, but inside that goalie there, so.
When they be aside there, so the whole of down there, so change up. When you go Marine Park, you will last if you go grade at Portmore, if you not go there for a long while.
Yeah.
And then put up over camera to Aaron.
And then this woman a come talk to, she come from Matchley and bought down a Brayton road mash up. I say no be inside of the community road them where the municipality for fix. All of the major main road them smooth, come drive on them. No, I say no, what you think of the living room passageway for going to your house?
Jaja.
Yeah, where you have to spread lint on through the ground, dig up.
Yeah.
A tile people are used now.
Usually you want to cover my bum pump. Yeah.
Them just can't cut out the full politics. Because I'm going to tell you this. You send me God Dr. Paul office. Out where am I there, sir? Out of Cumberland there, sir.
Errol, you have to come back tomorrow night, you know.
When I go there, sir, that man have to give me what I ask him for, because that man knows that if I get a little contract for the bush, for do some little bushing, and a labor right alone I get it, and if labor right now want work, me work with be a PMP, because the PMP them well want friend them, all our part.
Yeah, man, I show up with them, man.
That's when I go down to Jardley office, the secretary I tell me about me for wait. I say, wait power. No, you can't put me. So you mean George Lee come out. Him say, what want Errol? I say, me there. So yes, when I see this man come here, make him come right. I saw she still look at me in my green shirt.
Errol, that.
George Lee said, these are the people who get the work done.
Yeah.
When I look, and me alone I go in, me and my friend will come from work, him come pick me up, I'm in an orange shirt, and the whole way I drive gun and they go collect money. We work done pass already.
A show, Paul.
Then I one corner where I go spend out the money pan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really. All right, hold on the Herald. Come I go jump off now, but Mr. Desmond in the line. How long and me know you from him yet. Desmond. Yo, Desmond.
Errol, you have to come back another
Desmond more.
Live with that pan and have it together, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's inspiration.
I mean, I still have virgin, you know.
Inspiration.
You see me?
All right. So, I call on it tonight.
Yeah.
Inspiration. You know, answer
Hi.
anything, man. Call on me a call.
I know. I have so many things
Then
going on
before
here.
me a call you till now, me a call and I
Oh my God.
now.
I was
Give me
caught up on
the give me the last word.
Listen, I was on another live with I think the guy is Dennis. They ran me off with Doctor what's his name?
Dr. Cole.
Yes, Dr. Cole.
Be a rubbish man talk. Me have to send for cut budget fee every time.
Evident jury facts.
They have inspiration.
Yeah, they run me off the line. They run me off the line.
Why they run you off? What you say about it?
Because Cole was there talking out of the garbage. So I give them a history lesson from in the 70s. From
garbage pan.
From Shearer lost the election to Manley, and I gave them a total state all the way up to the 90s. And Cole said to me, "Oh, lie," and they cut me off the line. But anyways, yeah, it was interesting.
The message was interesting already.
But you know what I discovered?
Yeah.
Their live, the most they went to is about 100, 120, 113 people. All night, that's all they had. Like 113, 100 it's unbelievable that their live does not get the kind of traction this one gets.
Tonight we go up to 566 people tonight now. 566 people.
Exactly. I think
and
your live
we are landing now and we still have 400, 399.
Exactly. Over 490. Yeah.
But inspiration.
Yes.
I mean, see one Herald from over Merlin platform, you know.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Yeah, man.
You know, I mean, it was interesting that we talked about the bus, and they were saying, why is it necessary to have the bus, or does it make sense to have the bus for the schools, and the children still have to take some form of vehicle to the spot where they're going to pick them up, or they're going to let them off in the afternoons? But I said to them, listen, you don't worry too much about that, because it would have cost them less anyways. If they had to take a taxi, it's going to take them more money. And so even if they have this school bus, the children are more, it will be less, the cost will be less, even though they might take another vehicle to get to that spot where the bus will, they'll take the bus. It is still a cost-effective method. So, but they couldn't see through it. It's amazing how the PNP thinks. And you know, they talk about the housing, and this is what I wasn't aware of. They were saying Portia Simpson made a build about 600 homes for the poor, and I said, well, I wouldn't know about that because I'm not living in the island, so I don't know. But they're saying that she built about 600 houses. So one guy was telling that it's a lie, and they're trying to go into the different research to refute that. But I mean, overall, we're saying that the rights are looking much more in a commanding role, position, lead. Tonight, I was seeing where on the news, the opposition leader is saying rights are afraid to call election because they know that they're gonna get a beat. I was just laughing. They're saying, and the other thing about the FinSAC, I hit them with the FinSAC. Cole said it's a lie. 40,000 businesses didn't get demolished as a result. There's no proof of it. It's not in the FinSAC report. One guy said, have you seen the report? They haven't released the report. Why they haven't released the report? I said, there's no truth to it. And I said, well, the Prime Minister couldn't be lying like that. He said over 40,000 jobs, businesses were lost. And it cost over $50 billion. Yes. Over 40,000 businesses. And it cost the economy over $50 billion. The proof is in the pudding. But they still believe that's not true. And that Jamaicans didn't lose that many jobs. And it was a back and forth. But it just shows you that they're still stuck in time, not accepting anything, not being able to give a plan of what they're going to do for the future, how they're going to take over this country, should they form government, what their plans are. They said they're going to get houses. They promised houses, affordable homes where people could live and everything like that. But I the same freeness mentality, that type of thing. And I told them, man, they started it from in the 70s and it blew up in their face. It never worked. Yeah. Everything that was handed out. There was no money to back this plan that Manley put forth. And I think they're living off this past glory that failed many times.
They talk about the crowd where Marky G a pull on them thing there. So we tell them say Manley that pull more than that. It lose, not 80.
Of course, I told him of the crowd that Mike and Manley saw in Sam Sharp Square when he make the bold prediction. You know, 150,000 cannot be wrong. I told him I was right there, looking right in his face when he made the comment. It's nothing new.
Hold on, inspiration, cause 12 o'clock now and 12 o'clock my time when we there.
Yeah.
So, Maureen, this lady jumping at the box there. So, Maureen, let me hear from you. Or maybe I have to join with tomorrow. Hello, Maureen. Maureen Thomas. Or she joined with asleep.
Squitty and tell you them a talk about Trenchtown, man. Marky G constituency, that's man. Now them can't come tell me what me see every day.
All right, so tomorrow morning you jump on. I'm going to start about 7 o'clock my time, at 9 o'clock at Jamaica.
Yeah, my Ben OG keeper never take him on, because I'm done keeper. You see this one, I show you. I have to mash them up later when them come talk about field constituency. I'm sure all the pipes side.
They're not much.
All right.
We just drive a G keeper when G keeper want this up some people, you know.
Then the boy get this cause when time O'Keefe come him about listen to the man now. Are you the man come and help out? But listen to man. They should have share.
O'Keefe was on this line. He came on this live.
Yeah, man, him there over you. Him there right over you.
He was over the other side. Over there for the longest while, you know. I didn't know he came over here.
No, in the right on top of you. Inspiration, in the right on top of you, on top of your box where you did there. You did there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so when him attack.
Oh my goodness.
But look like he'd asleep.
Maybe.
Yeah, man, you need the right over your head attack.
I mean, I beg a piece of the two of them all long, you know.
Yeah, true, the box is full up, man. The man dying.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, man, and him they attacked him call out 14 constituents.
But him was teacher.
He said that.
He want to feel up.
He came over on the live that I was before and said, oh, when we talk stop and listen to the intelligent people. I'm educated and intelligent. And I said, you don't have to say how intelligent you are. As you speak, we'll get what you're about.
All right, watch it go on. Squitty. And Daniel a friend, you know. Daniel they over Merle life. Daniel say him no want deal with no political life, you know. It's a strategy.
Yeah.
The man take with the whole of Mama San people, you know.
Oh.
Go keep the whole of them you say that Mama San, you know. But you want to run Daniel platform and some bias are going. Nobody go up on the car. You don't talk, say you don't want a political platform. We don't deal with a little friendly stuff over there. And Mrs. say transform, so I'm going to stop go over there.
In turn it in a political thing now.
Yeah, because he asked me a question, and the question he asked me, he should even ask me that. Oh, man left time bomb and the man unalive, baby. Woman a Rima and me still a labor right. I say, but you never know what happened the day before that happened. Them go unalive my cousin down the road and burn down the boat villa and unalive a woman and her pitney. So the man them come back for revenge.
Retaliation.
So you should have known that if you come ask me that question there. Because you have to do your research as a PMP before you go to a labor right, you know, with certain questions.
You need a PMP?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I mind that because I never had a preach on politics, but I realized that actually the odds was above.
Yeah.
See me?
Oh, so you should try now.
I can't deal with people like them there. Tell me if I'm wrong, Squitty.
No, sir, you're not wrong.
You deceive me.
And that pretend like him neutral.
Thank you very much.
And then after that, now him start mute Labour when Labour talk. Because once you go up there and start talk and lay out some facts and tell them where you get the information, they mute your mic.
I know the far you page, but I hear the man I tell. Mix up, man. When me, I forgot how I tell the man, say, when him come to Jamaica, him and him have to go link up. One if I walk up and down with Dr. Cole from platform to platform.
Oh, you talk about the accountant, man.
He is no accountant. Tell her lie about water out and when they realize I'm about Mall Road and then a woman live on Mall Road up on the live and stick him up.
That's how we attack. 1 me?
No,
I don't want me. This someone I'm more intelligent more than 1 me.
He's intelligent. He's not intelligent.
When name man,
Ingram.
Yes.
And every time Ingram come, I send for cut budget and cut budget deal with him case.
Yeah, man.
Afraid of cut budget like boss.
You know why they run me? Caution came on the live and I said, Caution, you're a taxi driver and you seem to be making much more profit over here on these lives. How much are they paying you? And they run me off the live.
You step on him card, man. You step too hard.
Yeah, be the man. Oh God. No, man, yeah, be the man.
We have to go to a politics again, you know.
Yes.
All right,
yeah, man.
All right. No
respect, family.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you don't know the thing set. So I'm going to play a Ninja Man for you last. No, the anthem we should have played. We should have played the anthem, you know. Inspiration there, same way.
Yes, man, play the anthem.
Yeah, man, I try to find it there. Come on, YouTube, where you there? Come up. Yeah, all right. So we end the show. I play the anthem. I don't know, we love the country bad.
Yep.
Here we go. So like, all right, go. Let me see the art, then, man. 400 odd people up on the line. We'll give you some art. Give you some art on the Jamaican flag. From evil powers, we all like to come. Yes, our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice to be us forever, Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, kaboom! Jamaica, kaboom! Jamaica land we love. Teach us to respect for all. Stir response to duty's call. Let us we to change. Give us visions, let we perish. Knowledge sent us heavenly Father, grant true wisdom from above. Justice to be of forever, Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, kaboom! Jamaica, kaboom! Jamaica land we Salute Jamaica, salute. Salute, big up Ricky Stevens. Well, the show tonight. Tonight was a great night. You don't know, show pow chat. Yes. And big up all of the people, I mean, we're giant same way. We have 382 people same way. So as we say, we can go over and subscribe to Point of View by KAY. Point of View by KAY on YouTube. And we can watch. We have some replay. See? We have replay at the show them. See? I want to see the ads. I don't know skip the ads, because I know so the ads make you get the local